Welcome to Outlaw Edge. If anyone's interested, this lamp is for sale. This is a vintage Ford Y-block valve cover. There's some old black pipe plumbing fittings, and then it goes down into a brass pump off of a gas pump or a nozzle. This is a combine gear, and then this big gear here came off of a vintage planer. Got an on and off switch here. This would make a great gift for Christmas or whatever, or a man cave or mantique, whatever you want to call it. This is for sale right now, 400 bucks plus shipping. If you're interested, you can leave a message on my email. It's arcohorton53@gmail.com. I will leave the email down below. Thanks for watching.